Today we'll explore the proven methods that self-made millionaires use to go from nothing to financial independence. Stick around to learn how small, strategic moves can set you on the path to real wealth. Let's begin. Number 1. Surround yourself with the right people. The first step is to think about who you spend the most time with. Are they people who motivate you to do better or hold you back? If the conversations around you are mostly complaints about money with no solutions, it might be time to distance yourself. Surround yourself with people who are financially responsible, those who are actively working towards their goals. You don't have to cut people off completely, but prioritize relationships with those who inspire you to grow. They can help you see opportunities, share knowledge, and motivate you to keep pushing forward. Number 2. Learn the basics of money management. You don't need to be a financial expert, but understanding basic financial concepts can make a world of difference. Get to know terms like net worth, expenses, assets, and income. What's the difference between income and passive income? How do expenses affect your ability to save? Educating yourself on these things will make it easier to make smart money decisions. You can find tons of free resources online, including videos, articles, and beginner-friendly guides that break down complex financial ideas into simple steps. Number 3. Establish a source of income. Starting with any source of income, no matter how small, is key. The idea is to build a foundation. Earning even a small amount brings you closer to financial independence. If you're just beginning, consider part-time jobs, freelancing, or offering local services that align with your interests or skills. Online platforms offer various ways to make money remotely, from tutoring to content creation to virtual assistants. These small streams of income not only provide immediate cash flow, but help you develop valuable skills, discipline, and experience. As you grow, you can expand these efforts into higher-paying jobs or more lucrative roles. Remember, your first income source might be modest, but it's a stepping stone. Every dollar saved from these early earnings can go toward future investments or business opportunities, setting the stage for long-term wealth building. Number 4. Develop multiple sources of income. Relying on a single paycheck can make it tough to build wealth. Wealthy people know that multiple sources of income provide financial security and accelerate their journey. You could start with a side hustle, freelancing, tutoring, or selling products online. As you grow, look into passive income options like renting out a property, investing in stocks that pay dividends, or starting a small online business. Each new income source can add to your financial foundation and create a safety net if one source experiences a setback. You don't need huge capital to start. Even small steps add up over time. By diversifying, you're also allowing yourself more financial freedom and the flexibility to explore new opportunities without putting all your eggs in one basket. Number 5. Invest in your skills. In the modern world, having a degree isn't the only ticket to success. Marketable skills are often even more valuable. Investing in yourself through skill development increases your earning potential and opens doors to new income streams. Whether it's learning digital marketing, coding, graphic design, or even a trade like carpentry, each skill adds to your financial toolkit. Numerous online courses, tutorials, and free resources can help you expand your knowledge without a major financial investment. For those in traditional jobs, acquiring additional skills could mean a promotion or a salary raise. For entrepreneurs, it can enhance your ability to grow and diversify your business. Building skills is like creating a personal asset. The more value you bring to the table, the more opportunities you'll have to increase your income, setting you up for financial growth and independence. Number 6. Start building passive income streams. Passive income is key to building wealth with minimal ongoing effort. As Warren Buffett famously said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." Today, there are numerous passive income options, including blogging, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, and investing in dividend-paying stocks. These require effort up front, like setting up a blog or choosing the right investments. But after that, they continue to bring in income with little maintenance. Consider what aligns with your skills or interests. For example, if you enjoy writing, a blog can eventually generate income through ads or sponsorships. It takes time to build, but over the long run, these passive streams allow you to earn without constantly trading hours for dollars. Number 7. Live below your means. Living below your means is one of the most straightforward yet powerful strategies for building wealth. The concept is simple. Resist the urge to spend everything you earn. Instead, look for ways to cut unnecessary expenses, save money, and use those savings for investments. Small sacrifices can make a big difference, whether that means cooking at home instead of eating out or waiting for sales to make larger purchases. Track your expenses and identify where you can trim spending to align with your financial goals. By living simply, you'll also avoid the stress of debt and make it easier to save consistently. Every dollar saved adds to your financial security, which means you can handle unexpected expenses and take advantage of investment opportunities when they arise. Living below your means is a lifestyle choice that builds financial resilience and freedom over time. Number 8. Start exploring investment opportunities. Investing allows you to grow your money and reach financial goals faster. You don't need a massive fortune to start. Small investments add up over time. Start with areas you understand or are interested in, like mutual funds, stocks, or real estate. For example, buying shares in companies you believe in can pay off as they grow, and index funds offer a simple way to gain exposure to the market. Real estate is another option, as property values and rental income can increase over time. For those open to it, cryptocurrency has gained popularity, though it's best approached cautiously. Remember, investing is about patience, so focus on steady growth and avoid high-risk ventures. The key is to let your money work for you and multiply over time. Number 9. Embrace financial discipline and patience. Building wealth is not about quick fixes or instant success. It requires discipline and patience. Financial discipline means staying committed to your budget, avoiding impulsive purchases, and making conscious decisions with your money. It's easy to get tempted by trends and fast money schemes, but real wealth grows slowly and steadily. Set small, achievable financial goals and celebrate progress to stay motivated. Patience is equally important. Wealth takes time to accumulate, so resist the urge to compare yourself to others. Embrace the process and understand that every wise financial choice, however small, contributes to your future prosperity. By sticking to your plans, practicing restraint, and trusting the process, you'll find that financial discipline and patience pay off in the form of stability, opportunities, and long-lasting wealth that brings true financial freedom. Number 10. Plan for the future with financial goals. Finally, set clear financial goals. It can give you direction and purpose in your wealth-building journey. Think about what you want to achieve, whether it's home ownership, a comfortable retirement, or financial freedom to travel and explore. Write down these goals, then break them into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if you want to save $20,000 in 2 years, calculate how much you need to save monthly to reach that goal. Having specific goals helps you make smart financial choices because each decision aligns with what you're working toward. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your goals as you progress keeps you motivated and focused. Having goals also provides a sense of accomplishment as you reach each milestone. By planning for the future, you create a roadmap to success that not only guides your financial decisions, but keeps you excited about the possibilities ahead. And that's a wrap on how you can start building wealth from zero. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, stay consistent, and believe in your journey. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content to guide you toward financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.